Hello, this is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. This video is for Jesse in Fairborn, Ohio. And these are throttle bodies that I repaired. And this is how they look, and this is how they are energized on the bench. One came with the gasket, which I removed carefully, and it actually is in good condition. If you wish to reuse this gasket, you might. It's not too bad. Okay, so first thing is, I'm going to show you the temperatures on these. So as you can see, they're over 100 because they have been energized for quite a little bit now. Okay, so say the cold unit here is 72. This is the current temperature, indoor temperature. So this one gets up to 107 even. So that's to show that they had been energized for quite a little bit of time, just to make sure that they activate and remain activated. Okay, now what we're going to do is shut down the little activation linkage. The on the bench throttles do not open all the way, they open only halfway. That is normal. I'm gonna make another insert when these will be connected to the vehicle, so you can actually see that they do activate all the way. Underside of units look like this. There's some sort of chemical was spilled on it or something, just etched into the aluminum, but they still came out quite clean. These are part numbers here. These seem to be SL throttle bodies, SL 600, a 93 or 94 model. 000141562 secondary throttle body part number. For the primary, we have 00014155525, and this is the underside of the primary. Okay, so this is how they came out. And the next thing is what we're going to show readings that computer sees, eGas module sees when throttles are activated. Okay, so this is start diagnostic readout from eGas module, and as well we can see 4.33, 4.31, that's normal, 0.4849, that's good, and the second potentiometer and the second throttle 0.66, that's okay. So when we open throttles, they're supposed to follow 4.31 where it says became 1.99 on the top one and 1.99 on the bottom one, 4.49 on R1, M163R1, that's also good. So no problems here, because if there would have been a discrepancy, throttles would have shut down. Okay, so 3.23, as you can see, they are synced. And next step we're gonna make with on vehicle test will prove that they will both work properly. Wires were completely destroyed in both, so that is a big concern, because when wires short out that badly, there might be a possibility of eGas module failure, and I have seen that a lot. So hopefully that was not the case. It's just the wiring issue, specifically that you send me a letter explaining that you have codes coming from secondary potentiometer saying that, secondary throttle body potentiometer saying that readings are implausible. So that could be very well be the case. It's just the shorts in cables. So hopefully eGas module is okay. So right now they both work. When I first got them, when I plugged them in, they did not work. I just wanted to see, based on your description, what they will do. Yes, they just didn't activate. This one would activate, but this one would just like squeal because potentiometer problem. This one would activate, but second you touch the wires, it would shut off. So that was obviously not good. Okay, so let me pause this video, and I'm going to plug them into the vehicle, to another V12, and show you that they do open all the way. Okay, so let's continue here. So we have your throttle bodies connected. As you can see, they're connected to the vehicle. These are my throttle bodies. As you can see, they're done the same exact way, and they work perfectly for a couple of years now. No issues here. no problems. I never had issues with wires. Although because my throttle bodies are the small bolt case, tiny bolts, one of the motor failed. But these throttles of yours, the big bolt case, they have different style motors that do not fail. And that's a big plus with your units, because mine is a 95, so it's different. Okay, so the rain is about to break out, so let's put on the ignition. Now ignition is on, and pardon the background, I just need to make this quick before the rain. And as you can see, throttles open fully. Now on the S-Class, on the 600, usually you can activate throttles under the hood like this without tripping limp mode when engine is not running. Okay, so that's just a difference in controllers. Although on the V8s you can do it. They will go into limp. Now, so to check it one more time, a little differently, is I'm going to start the engine. Now RPMs are going to be all over the place because original throttle bodies are not open, so they will just stay closed, and whatever air will pass into the engine is going to be naturally sucked in past the throttle plates that are closed. So don't mind the RPMs. Our concern here is an ASR light, and I'm going to blip the throttles a couple of times. Suspension light is on because I had battery disconnected. So here goes suspension light. We just had to reset a steering angle sensor. So now, as you can see, no ASR light. And let's try to blip the throttles just to show you that they actually are working still. Now if I keep doing this, it will go into limp mode. But my point here is that the engine is running and both throttles activate. That's very important, because if engine is not running, then e-gas is in diagnostic mode, and therefore, as you can see, still no ASR, no problems here. So that is all sorted out. Both units are good. As you can see, I keep activating it, and both still activate. But eventually, if I keep doing it without pressing the gas pedal, there is a micro switch on the pedal. If I'm not going to be pressing it, they will go into limp. But they work perfectly fine. Okay, so I think I have to stop it there because, as you can see, the rain has started. Rain has started just now. But other than that, we're in good shape. Alright, so this was a little longer video than I anticipated to make, but it still, shows all the progress and all the workings of the units. Okay, so this is all, and this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.